Hi, this is Mrs. Dykstra. Do you know what this is? It's a rain stick. It's a musical instrument. It doesn't look like a typical musical instrument, does it? This musical instrument was made from cactus. It's been hollowed out and then it was partially filled with pebbles and beans and then inserted into the sides of it were thorns or nails or pins. I'm not sure exactly what it was. But when you turn it from one end to the other, it sounds like a rainstorm. I'm going to show you how to make one using something I found in my recyclables. Let's see here. Okay, a paper towel tube. Yep. And maybe you have a toilet paper tube. Maybe you have wrapping paper. The cardboard roll in there works really well for this. Then you'll need some rice, and I have pinto beans here. You can mess around with some different smaller little items that you'd want to place in there. And you also need aluminum foil and masking tape. So the first thing we do to get started is you take aluminum foil and you cover one end of the tube, and then you take some masking tape and you secure it to the tube. So I'm just going to go around the edge here of it. Good. All right. Turn it upside down, and now it's time for the filling. Again, we're only going to partially fill it, so just put a little rice in. And then I'm going to use pinto beans. There we go. And then inside of it, you're going to take a longer piece of aluminum foil and you're going to kind of twist it and then insert it into the tube. Okay, now it's time to put the top on it. Again, cover the end. I'm going to take some masking tape to make sure that the aluminum foil stays on. Whoops, there we go. Now we're ready to hear it. Make sure that you have the contents at one end of it, and then you're slowly going to move it to a 45-degree angle and then all the way up. Sort of sounds like a little bit of rain, doesn't it? Have fun, try it out. Bye.